I like it. It says right here, dangerous. I like it. All right, so what this is, let's see. It launches a tennis ball. Your tennis ball down in here. There we go. Tennis ball on the bottom. Oh, by the way, in case, we have a couple rules. Number one, don't try these at home. Number two, I'm a little late with this one. Number two, there might be electric And number three, very, very important. If you see this, run. All right, here we go. Ryan. So, we have some very special NASA fuel. You can only get it at NASA or Walmart in the women's hairdressing area. Okay? I'm going to use on your grill at home, you have a little red button like that, and it's called the piezoelectric. When you push it, it hits a piece of quartz that makes a spark. And so what I want to do is put some fuel in here. I already have a cannonball. I wonder if that's enough. More? More? Okay. Hey, it's not my fault. Watch out. Here we go. You gotta count to three now. All right, here we go. This is going to be loud. Cover your ears. Hope this works. 3, 2, 1. We just made a gas called acetylene for an acetylene torch. That was calcium carbide that we mixed with acetylene. So when you're talking about explosions, I had to buy this. It says on here, stupid fun, my kind of thing. And it also comes with, you'll see this on your grill. There's a special thing in science called the piezo effect. Piezo. When you squeeze this red button here, it strikes a piece of quartz. And quartz is funny, when you squeeze it, it will give out an electric spark. So that's how you start your grill. You push that button, the gas is on, and there's a spark. What if I do this? What if I take a tennis ball, yes, some special NASA fluid, special fuel that you can only get at NASA or the women's hair place at Walmart. Is that enough, you think? Okay. Hope this works. Where's Mr. Abner? Should I give him 3 seconds to try to shoot him, Mr. Grimes? Are you ready? Here we go. Safety